Samsung has exploded higher plus 10.09% to $349,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, June 1st, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.22% at $7,580.06. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Tech stocks rise as Snowflake surges after $6 billion Amazon deal and strong earnings, the motley fool. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.36% at $30,333. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bitcoin extends slide as spot ETF outflows hit a record while Wall Street rips on RE. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.72% to $51,032. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Tech stocks rise as Snowflake surges after $6 billion Amazon deal and strong earnings, the motley fool. DAX ticked up plus 0.24% to $25,164. Traders are reacting to news that gold falls as renewed Middle East tensions fuel inflation fears. FTSE 100 is trading lower by minus 0.20% at $10,388. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs. Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 10.09% to $349,000. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.45% to $450.24. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. Toyota plunged minus 4.49% to $2,905.50 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Toyota's updated electric SUV is turning into a sleeper hit, Electrek. Alphabet is down minus 2.51%, trading at $380.34. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta versus Alphabet. Which stock is the better by today? 24/7 Wall St. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that gold falls as renewed Middle East tensions fuel inflation fears. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs. Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Tech stocks rise as Snowflake surges after $6 billion Amazon deal and strong earnings, the motley fool. Turning to commodities. Brent crude climbed to $94.19 per barrel, up 2.32% on the session. This comes as oil markets on the brink. Why today's calm may be hiding a historic supply shock, financial sense, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude surged to $90.82 per barrel, up 3.96% on the session. This comes as oil markets on the brink. Why today's calm may be hiding a historic supply shock, financial sense, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas climbed to $3.35, up 1.73% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that gold falls as renewed Middle East tensions fuel inflation fears. Gold dipped to $4,524.80 per troy ounce, down 0.78% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold falls as renewed Middle East tensions fuel inflation fears. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Samsung sits around $369,940. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.17, gaining 0.01% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.35, gaining 0.12% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.45, gaining 0.11% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Commission discusses gas and oil supply risks with EU countries as the conflict in the Middle East reaches a 3-month mark. ec.europa.eu. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.